Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use fat burner capsules effectively. First, always read the product label carefully before starting any new supplement. Understand the active ingredients and their recommended serving sizes. Most fat burners are designed to be taken with water, typically before meals or workouts, to maximize their potential effects on your metabolism and energy levels throughout the day. For optimal results, consistency is key when taking fat burner capsules. Many products suggest starting with a single capsule daily for the first few days to gauge your body's reaction. Gradually increase to the full recommended dose, often 2 or 3 capsules per day, spread out evenly. Remember to take them with a full glass of water and avoid consumption within 4 to 6 hours of sleep to prevent restlessness. Fat burner capsules are most effective when integrated into a healthy lifestyle, not as a standalone solution. Prioritize a nutritious diet rich in whole foods and maintain a consistent exercise routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Adequate sleep, around 7 to 9 hours per night, also plays a crucial role in supporting your body's natural fat-burning processes and overall well-being. Before incorporating fat burner capsules into your routine, it is highly advisable to consult with a doctor, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Pay close attention to your body's response. Some individuals may experience mild side effects. Always adhere strictly to the recommended dosage and never exceed it. Your health and safety are paramount, so choose products from reputable brands and listen to your body.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.